This video is about Hess's law problems. So we have these two equations, we have their delta H, and we're going to add them together to find the delta H for this other equation down here. Doing Hess's law problems is kind of like a logic puzzle. You have to see what you can flip, what you can add, what you can multiply to get what you're given to add up to what you want at the bottom. So I see that I want AB on the left side, and I have that in my givens. I want A and B on the right side, and I have that in the equations I've given as well. So I don't need to flip any equations, at least not yet. I don't think I will. I see there's some other compound in there. I'm going to need to get that to cancel. To cancel, it'll need to be on one side of the arrow in one equation and on the other side in the other. So my products are on the right sides because I notice A2, B2 will cancel. But now what I notice is that I'm given 2AB, and in my final equation, I want just AB. And so I'm going to need to take 2AB and find a way to get it to be AB. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by 1/2. That's going to make the equation AB yields 1/2 A2B2. Then I take my delta H, multiply by 1/2 as well. So delta H for this new equation is equal to half of negative 315, 157.5 kilojoules, and that's a negative. I did not flip it, so it's still negative. I look at my next equation, and I see that I have 2A plus 2B as my products, but I'm going to need just AB. So again, I'm going to multiply by 1/2. So I have 1/2 A2B2 yields A plus B. I take my delta H and again multiply it by 1/2. 37 times 1/2 is going to be 18.5 kilojoules. This one's positive. So now I'm going to take these equations and add them together and see if I can get the equation that I want down at the bottom. 1/2 AB is on both sides of the arrow, so it cancels. Nothing else cancels, so I'm left with AB yields A plus B. And that's the equation I want. So now I just have to add up these delta H's. I'm going to add negative 157.5 plus 18.5. And I get that delta H is equal to negative 139 kilojoules. Make sure to write the negative. That is important. That means that energy is being released. And so delta H for this equation, again, is negative 139 kilojoules.